Hi, welcome to Physics 1.3. This is the example that we did in class for 1.3b. So the bell might ring because I'm actually filming this right after we did it, just so you have a reference. You're supposed to find the displacement and the acceleration. So this was the example that we went through in class. Notice again that there are two parts to it. That means that we'll end up having one overall displacement, but two different accelerations. And I said in class, think of it as slowing down and then speeding back up quickly. Okay? So notice in part A, and go get my handy dandy pointer. Notice in part A, it's the shape of a triangle, but remember I want you to try to use the kinematics and not the area. The area is kind of a fallback thing. So the first thing we always wanted to do is go down in our graph, so we want to find the acceleration. The acceleration is a change in velocity over time. Notice that you have a v naught of 30, you have a v of 0, and it took 12 seconds. Okay, so a is equal to v minus v naught divided by t. 0 minus 30 divided by 12 is a negative 2.5 meters per second. And that makes sense because the line's going down from left to right. Using that acceleration, you can now find the displacement using kinematic 2, where the v naught again was 30, time was 12 seconds, and the acceleration you just found was a negative 2.5. This gives you 180 meters as the displacement. Then we're going to do the same thing for part B, okay, because again it's a triangular shape. We need to find the acceleration first. Gather your information. It has a v naught of 0, a v of 50, and a time of 8 seconds, right? Because we were at 12, now we're at 20, so this is 8 seconds. Rewrite of your kinematic 1 for acceleration, and get that acceleration was 6.25 meters per second per second. Use that acceleration to find the displacement for part B. X was equal to x naught using kinematic 2. Substituting your values in, you should get x is equal to 200 meters. Therefore, your total overall answer to find the displacement and the acceleration given a VT graph, the displacement was a total of 380 meters, 180 plus 200, and you had two accelerations, an acceleration of negative 2.5 meters per second for 12 seconds and 6.25 meters per second for 8 seconds. Hope this helps as you do the assignment. Thanks for watching.